Principal Magistrate Joyce Gandani denied Isabella Wambani wa Lubengo bail, describing the offense she is accused of committing as serious. She said Walubengo is a flight risk and would not hesitate to skip court proceedings if released on bail. Gandani was delivering a ruling in a case where Isabella is accused of stealing 3 children aged between 7 months and 2 years. She was arrested while on transit to Kuwait. The crime she is accused of attracts a jail term of a minimum of 7 years for every child stolen. And a public officer and a mother has been released on 100,000 shillings cash bail after she denied 9 counts of forgery and fraud. Lynette Nyaboke, a secretary at the National Bureau, is accused of committing the offences on diverse dates between January 2012 and November 2016. She is accused of forging documents purporting them to be official refugee registration forms for different people from different nationalities. She appeared before Principal Magistrate Joyce Gandani, who directed that she does not access her place of work unless with express written permission from her employer. She also directed Nyaboke to report to the ATPU once a week. The case will be heard on 19th of January next year. Meanwhile, 2 people who diverted T-card gadgets valued at 57 million shillings have denied charges of forgery and obtaining goods by false pretense. Stephen Gugi and Mary Njeri are accused of forging local purchase orders, purporting them to be genuinely issued by the procurement officer at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Trade. Using the same documents, they are said to have obtained laptops, iPads and iPhones intended for use at the T-card trade fair held in Nairobi in August this year. They were released on a bond of 500,000 shillings or a cash bail of 200,000 shillings each. Last week, the duo denied similar charges involving 23 million shillings and were released on a 150,000 shillings cash bail each. Finally, 3 company directors linked to the theft of 51 million shillings from Kilifi government's central bank account have been charged with conspiracy to commit felony and handling stolen goods. Lucy Wanjugu Kibogo, Sarah Wangui Kamau and Stephen Mutua denied the charges they are alleged to have committed in Nairobi between October 3rd and 7th this year. Kilifi Senior Resident Magistrate Leah Wasige heard that Kibogo fraudulently conspired to steal over 27 million shillings. They were released on a bond of 5 million shillings with surety of similar amount with an alternative cash bail of 1 million shillings. Lilian Otieno for Scales of Justice.